Hey everyone, today I will talk about human processing and the role of science and technology in agriculture. For me, human processing simply means living a good and meaningful life. It is not only about having money or success, but also having immune food, good health, dignity, and a strong relationship with others. In agriculture, this is very important because farming gives us food and support the lives of farmers and communities. Without agriculture, people cannot live well or survive. Human processing in farming also means balance. We need to balance having more food, production, protecting the environment, and treating farmers fairly. These three are not always easier to achieve at the same time, but we should try to make them work together. Science and technology help farmers a lot. They make farming faster, easier, more productive. They also help solve problems like pests, climate change, but technology should be used carefully because it can also harm the environment or create unfair situations for some farmers. This is why we need appropriate technology, simple, affordable, and helpful for local farmers. In conclusion, science and technology should not only focus on improving production but also improving people's lives and protecting nature. As a future agriculturist, we should always aim for a better and fair life for everyone. Thank you.